I see all y'all watching Avatar after y'all were making fun of people for watching it in the 8th grade. Remember that? Remember that? What's up, guys? So it's Friday. I just got ready, gonna go to work like always. So I wanted to show you some video ideas that I'm gonna be doing soon. So the first video idea I was gonna do is, it's like a product review for Maui. I just got these in the mail. I wanted to film this video this Saturday, but I can't because the set for this, so it's the shampoo, it's the conditioner, and then it's also this like oil mist, this tiny little bottle of freaking oil mist. And I've been waiting forever for it to come in the mail. It's coming late, and I don't know, I just don't feel like doing the video on just the shampoo and the conditioner. Like, I feel like I should have the whole coconut milk line from them. So that's why I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna have to wait. But it's so annoying. So the video I'm gonna film this week, y'all, I'm gonna attempt I say attempt very lightly because I don't know, I'm gonna attempt to do some acrylic nails on myself, like some home acrylic nails. Not gonna lie to you, I don't know how this is gonna happen. I bought this cheap little kit. If you seen Arnell's video, she's like another YouTuber, a really big one. She used this kit and it was only $30. That's why I was like, okay, I should try it and make my own video. But I mean, I don't know. We're gonna really have to see because I've never done this before. So, and I'm looking at this like little pack here. So they give you nails because, you know, like it's like a plastic nail and they put the acrylic like over it. And y'all, I'm not even kidding. They gave like 10. Like, I think they gave like exactly 10. So if you mess this up, it's over. Up, guys, I know I look crazy. I just did this one-eyed look. It came out pretty cute, but I used like a white glitter, and honestly on camera, on this camera you could see it, but on my phone camera you can't, so that was kind of like pointless. But so I did this look today, and then hopefully I'm gonna try to do my acrylic nail video kind of like in the middle of the night, just because I can't be interrupted, because it's not like I'm using gel nail polish or anything. I'm just using regular nail polish, so like I can't be interrupted. I need to like sit there and really do my nails for a good like 2 hours. Before everyone got on the wave of Sims for quarantine, I have been on the wave forever. I've been playing Sims. I've probably been playing Sims for like, I don't even know, because I had it on my Wii. I had the first ever Sims. Then I had the Sims 2, Sims 2 Pets. Then I had Sims 3 with University Seasons. I had so many Sims. And now I have, what is this? Is this Sims 4? Bro, I'm losing count. This is Sims 4, right? The newest one. This one I have Seasons, Vampires. I have the childhood one, and restaurants. I think that's about it. Honestly, for this Sims, I don't really know how I feel about the packages that they offer. Yeah, the Sims 4. I don't know. I don't really love the other packages they have. That's why I only really have a few of them for this one, but I've just been playing Sims all day because school is finally over and I could finally sit here and like play Sims. So this isn't a house I designed. This is a house that they already had that I was like adding kind of extra stuff to. But let me know if y'all want like a Sims created video, because I have huge houses that I've built like from scratch that have taken me days. And I could definitely show you guys, but these are just, this is just a house that I was adding on to. So this is like, they have like a ton of kids, so I'm trying to make like a huge kids like basement type thingy. So that's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, I love playing Sims before it got cool. I feel like everything is getting cool now. Like anime is getting cool, like all this stuff. And I remember, you know, my dweeb friends know, like back then, all this shit was not cool, okay? You used to get made fun of for doing all this shit. Now I see it on TikTok, like, and everyone is doing it, and I'm like, y'all are just riding the wave, aren't you? Like, I see all y'all watching Avatar after y'all were making fun of people for watching it in the 8th grade. Remember that? Remember that? What's up, guys? We're gonna do some gardening today. So I'm gonna plant these plants, I think. Then I have some more, I think. Well, these are already in pots, so not these, but here's some more hanging baskets and stuff. But it's really these that I'm gonna plant right now. I think I have some more in the garage, but yeah, I don't even know where I'm planting them. I think these are gonna go over there, but I don't know. I gotta see. I don't know what to call this recipe. I guess you can call it like ground turkey veggie pasta. I don't know what you want to call it, but I kind of already started, so we're like in the halfway process. But okay, so I've got my veggies. So I've got some celery, some carrots, some dried tomatoes, peppers and onions, and I'm also gonna put some chopped spinach and kale, just a little bit of that. Then I've got my tricolor penne. I've got my tomato sauce. Any tomato sauce is good. And then my ground turkey, which I already seasoned up already and did all that. So I'm gonna boil my water right now. It's actually ready. Let's, live action if I can get my, oh my god. I'm like struggling with these nails, y'all. I cannot open anything. Ugh. Open. Oh my god, this is hard with one hand. Okay, I gotta put it down. Oof. Get the pasta. Start that. Cool. Now we're gonna, oof, my pot is getting too hot. My pan getting too hot. Oof. See when that gets there? See that? That's how you know your pan is a little too hot, but it's okay because we can still put it in. It's just, now we just gotta be mindful because now we know based on that it's a little too hot, but it's okay. Gotta turn this on because it's really starting to smoke up in here. Gonna put that ground turkey in there and cook. So it's like 3 different parts. So I cook everything separately, cook the pasta separately, cook the meat separately, and I cook the veggies separately. But yeah, peace out. So in the pan, you're gonna put like the main pasta in. You're gonna have the butter that I just put in there, and then once the butter is done, that's when you're gonna add all these veggies. You want to add like the carrots first, so that way they get soft, because if you don't put them in first, they're gonna be really hard, and you want them to be crunchy but like not too crunchy, so that's why you got to put them in first. Then so everything on this cutting board how could I forget that? Everything on this cutting board you're gonna put in the pot first, and then I'll probably do like these after. But yeah, the pasta is almost done. Make sure you're mixing around your pasta, guys, while it's cooking, because that's what helps it not stick to the bottom and stuff. So mix it around. Got our turkey here, which is looking real good. This is not even half. This is like some of it. The rest of it I'm gonna cook separately, but yeah, and then you're gonna kind of chop it up like that, almost like you're making like scrambled eggs or something. And then you want it to be nice and grounded, so that way it like is in the pasta good. Oh, the timer just went off for the pasta. Whew, so I've got all my veggies just seasoned up, and then here's the last set of meat being cooked, and then we just kind of combine them all in the pot, and like that's basically it. So after it's combined, it kind of all looks like that. It's really messy looking, but oh my god, y'all, it tastes so good when you eat it. Yeah, so then I'm gonna cover it and just let it be on low heat for a little bit before I actually eat it, just so I can get nice and warm. Looks really, really good. Now to taste test it. That's pretty good. This isn't like the best thing I make, but it's pretty good. If you want something for a long time, like I can eat this for the whole week. I won't get tired of it. The turkey is good. Carrot's a little hard. You know, I'm a cartoon anime fiend, so you know, obviously I'm rewatching Avatar right now. That's just bound to happen. You know, sometimes I wish Legend of Korra popped off. I really did, but you know, because I liked the plot, so I liked how it was kind of like in almost, I guess you can say, like Industrial Revolution era type thing. I like that there was like a whole conflict between like benders and non-benders, and it was like a whole thing. Like I feel like that was pretty cool, but I think it just didn't pop off because I don't know if it was just me, but I did not like Korra's vibe. Like I didn't like her vibe. Just something about her was like, I don't know. She was annoying to me. I don't know. Someone comment and let me know I'm not the only one. And then they had that whole part where they were saying Korra was lesbian, which I was like, yes. But then it was like, why didn't they build up to that? Am I the only one? They didn't build up to her being like a lesbian. I wish they would have built that up more so we could have seen, because she was in love with like this other dude. I don't remember his name right now, but she was like fiending over this other guy. Next thing you know, she's lesbian, and I'm like, okay, cool, but y'all could have just started that from the jump. Why did you just start that from the original story? You know what I mean? Like, then it was like, then it would have been like, yes, like that's what we want to see. But then it's like, you just built that out of nothing. Like, girl, please give me some plot. Like, I don't know. I feel like the plot was just not there with Legend of Korra. You could have built up to this. There was no build up. No build up. They were like friends, and then with no type of, I don't know, comment below if you think, if I'm the only one. Maybe I'm tripping, but I feel like there was no context. There was no like context. It was just like boom. It was like a final scene too. Like that was it. No build up, no nothing. Now for the best scene.
The next couple lines, but that goes.
Okay, these guys are like the stoners of the ancient world. They're freaking braiding Appa's hair. Sokka is not impressed. We're probably wondering where Cactisha and Brenda are, so I moved them outside because my brother literally knocked this over. This thing is so heavy and somehow he knocked this over. So this is the life. This is the struggle. That's why I just had to run in there like a mad woman while recording this, because he literally just toppled this over for no reason. But yeah, that's the stress of life. But all we can do is keep moving forward. I don't even know how we're going to pick it up. It's like 600 pounds, but we'll try. Anyway, as I was saying, I had to move Brenda out here. She was bigger and I just feel like she deserved to be near other plants. She says she has multiple brothers and sisters and cousins and I don't know. And then we have Cactesia. Cactesia might come back in my bedroom. She is probably going to come back. Brenda is probably going to stay outside though. But I wanted to show the plants that I planted. Planted all of these. All of these plants. Ooh, the grass is wet. Okay, these plants. And then some plants over here as well. I'm doing my makeup, but I'm just watching Avatar because, like, it's just crazy. Let me pause it. It's crazy because it's like, you can get mad. I mean, Zuko always has my heart, but you can get mad at Azula and Zuko for being that way, but like, it's the Fire Nation's fault. Like, their whole society is a mess. Avatar has always been deep. It's been my favorite show from like way back when they used to premiere the episodes, okay? It's crazy that it's a kid's show because it's just so deep. Like, it has so much more than a kid's show. It's about like honor, loyalty, and evil, and it's power. I mean, there's just so many themes, like, and it's just crazy. And isn't it crazy that Zuko doesn't realize like the Fire Nation is bad till like after he's fully banished and he's like out of it, and then he realizes? Like, it's just crazy because I feel like sometimes, you know, the oppressor don't know until they experience what the oppressee experiences. Like there was a moment where they were reading in a letter from Uncle Ira. I completely forgot about this part. I didn't even remember this part till I'm rewatching it right now. And they're like reading the letter, and he's like, oh, what does he say? He's like, oh, I hope you guys can visit the Earth Nation if I don't burn it all down. And freaking Azula, Zuko, and her mom are laughing at that. And I'm like, so you're laughing when all these people are dying? Like, I was like, the Fire Nation is sick. I mean, Azula was sick from the jump. Something's wrong with her. She's one of those kids. Like, Azula was really one of those kids. But, oof, crazy. I mean, I guess it's coming out cute. I'm going to do an under eye part. I didn't even do, like, my foundation yet. This is just my under concealer. Because I do, like, 5 layers of concealer. Because I need help. More like the under bags need help, girl. But yeah, I've got my, oof, I don't want y'all to see the table. But this is the setup. So you can see. Ow. Hey. So yeah, I look super busted right now because, you know, usually I put darker foundation here. It will come together. It will come together. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!